Chinese officials say, the African swine fever situation has eased in the country after the deadly virus ravaged China's hog farming community for months. African swine fever is harmless to humans but deadly to pigs, and there is no cure or vaccine for the disease.
Well, the disease has swept across China, the world's top pork producer, since August last year, and more than 1 million pigs have been slaughtered. But a recent report by Reuters alleged that the situation may be more severe than official accounts suggest. Olivia Xiong with this report from Beijing.
The number of new cases of African swine fever in China has dropped this year, and pig production is slowly returning to normal. That's according to the country's Vice Agriculture Minister, Yu Kangzhen. Speaking to reporters in Beijing, Mr. Yu said 44 new swine fever cases were reported in the first 6 months of this year. That's down from 99 cases seen in the 5 months before that, just after the disease was detected in China in August. 1.16 million pigs have also been culled since, and Mr. Yu said the reporting system for swine fever cases has become stricter, if anything. This comes as a recent report suggested that as many as half of China's breeding pigs have died or been slaughtered because of the disease. That's twice as many as officials acknowledged, and raises concerns of a cover-up or underreporting.
在疫情报告上，或者说 在疫情瞒报的问题上，虽然我们不能保证零发生，但是我们坚决做到零容忍。疫情瞒报，发现一起，查处一起，依法依规，严惩不贷。这个态度非常明确。
But Mr. Yu acknowledged that there have been shortcomings in China's bid to address the outbreak, adding that the situation remains complex and severe. He reiterated new guidelines issued by the State Council this week to address the situation, calling for tougher regulations and stricter checks.
Another area that China is looking into is a vaccine against the African swine fever. Now, while Mr. Yu did not reveal how much money is being invested into research, he did say that progress has been made, although this is still very much in the early stages. No country has received approval to sell a vaccine commercially so far.
To make up for the shortfall in pork supply in the country, farms greatly affected by the disease will receive assistance to get production back on track, with Mr. Yu adding that small and big farms will be treated equally. Olivia Xiong, CNA, Beijing.